So, I hope I'm properly visible and okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Stuff with me, Tech Stuff with Akshaj. So, as I told, I'm gonna review my laptop HP 15. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started. And as you can see, the laptop, so this is actually a bigger laptop of 15 inches, not 13.5 inch. And we also get the number keys to the side, which we don't get with the 15 inch, 13.5 inch one. And the screen, as you can see, is actually a full HD screen, and on top it has the HP True Vision HD camera. You can just take a look. So now talking about its weight and everything. So this actually of about 1.8 to 1.5 kg, and I have to say the laptop capacity when compared to its physical overview, I would just give it on 10 on 10 because guys, as you can see, it's very sleek to the side and good to carry also. Even being a bigger laptop, like we can just carry it anywhere. It doesn't waste much also, as I told, just 1.5 to 1.6 kg. Any laptop you see in this segment is not of this cost. And now let us talk about the most important thing, that are the hinges. So as you can see, this is a very big hinge ranging from here to here, a very big hinge, as you can see. And actually this is good because nowadays the laptops which we are getting, we just get a middle hinge over here or two hinges, or a very big one like ranging from the corners to corner, which would be actually very delicate. And as you can see, it's very easy to open and close. It's actually a very good hinge here. The hinge quality is very good, but again it's of plastic, guys, so we cannot use it however we want. Yeah, it's a bit delicate. But one thing is that if we have a damage over here, the whole hinge stops working. That's the only disadvantage with this kind of a hinge. But anyway, when compared to the other laptops, this is actually the best. And now, talking about the sound of this laptop, I actually don't find much sound, as this when we just open it, like I shut it down temporarily like this, and now like it has been, if it has been about 1 to 2 hours, and now like I open it and just slide it, I get a quing zing sound and it just powers on like this. So it's a very minute sound. You can only find it when you are in like a too much absorbing. So you cannot. It's actually a very good laptop, and the fan sound, which is actually the most important one, is not at all heard by you. I promise this. Now, the thing we actually want to be good are the keys. So now let's discuss, are the keys of this laptop good or not. I assure you guys, this laptop is having amazing keys. It's very good. So it's actually currently asking me the password, so I'll just meet you in the next half of the video. So guys, this is how the laptop looks when it is turned on. You can just have a look of the laptop. And one thing is that, guys, just some of the brands use the word HD, they just snap it out to make it sound even more cool. But one thing I have observed in this laptop is that I actually watched a movie from this laptop and it was actually amazing. One minute, guys, let me just remove this. It's actually the Microsoft Teams. I have not like installed many of the apps in this. I've just installed some of them like Microsoft Teams, To-Do List, and very few, I think only those two for my online classes, and Cyberlink Power Director for my video editing. That's it. And it actually has 1 TB HDD, and you cannot this doesn't have a SDD, guys. It has a 1 terabyte hard disk, and as I told, it has a full HD screen, and even the sound system of that laptop is amazing, guys. So talking about the next point, that is about lag. I actually was very confused in this segment, as it used to lag sometimes, like in a very different way, that too, and sometimes it was very fast, lightning fast. So let me just explain you this with an example. That is like I open Chrome, and like I'm just like, as you can see my cursor over here, so I just do like something like this, and here somewhere it just gets off, and like this it automatically closes. This happened almost about 10 times. So now, and sometimes it was like I just go here and click this, and it was very fast, but sometimes when I even click it, it like used to not sense the click, and I had to click it once again. So lag is very minor in this laptop, as I've not installed much things. Yeah, but I do have much storage in this, so I've not experienced any lag. I am sure you would also not experience any lag if you like buy this laptop. I have given the features and details, everything, and the link of this laptop in the description box below. You can just check that out. This is actually, guys, I use this every day, so everyday functionality of this laptop is good. Even though I hear like 2-3 sounds at once, that was also very good. Yeah, and as I told, 1 minute, and the Wi-Fi connections and the Bluetooth connection. So even though I am very far from my Wi-Fi connection, it was able to like get that, and it was functioning good. And as I told, I actually sit in the last room over here, and my Wi-Fi is actually in the hall. The router is in the hall, but still it was able to catch all that signals, and I attend video calls. So for a video call, you should have a good bandwidth, and this was capable of that. So I'm giving you all my real time experiences, and I'm sharing all that. So I hope this would help you, instead of just going through the details and explaining it through some other experiments. And the Bluetooth connection, guys, I have to say the Bluetooth connection is good, but not excellent, not what I expected, because you can just hear only, like if you are attending a call, you can just hear the volume of the call, and like you are multitasking. Like it happened with me many times. I was in a meeting and I had to multitask with my other things, and I was actually not able to hear all that. I had to again like go to the settings, check it out, the settings and everything, and sometimes I even couldn't find out how to like allow music and calls at the same time. So it created a mess for me. um Next, talking about the language settings, here I actually have the language India. It actually automatically finds out when I set it up this device. It find out everything, and it actually set it into the location of India. That was actually very good. And the Cortana, I don't understand one thing. This running on and 10th generation Core i3, 1 terabyte HDD. So I think you're clear with that. And it also gives Microsoft Office and Home for students also, Microsoft Office Home and for a student. So like, let me just show you this. Like I have a main account of my father in this, and I also have a just school account. Like as you can see, currently it's in my school account, but I can just switch account. can actually switch account with my main father's account. That's the Microsoft account. So as you can see, switch account. This is the main that Microsoft account. This is my school account. So that was actually good both experiences. But one thing, even though you have Microsoft Drive, as if you like are running the Microsoft account, you cannot. It just saves as the desktop, and you cannot access through any other device. Only when like I'm using the student account, so I can access through any device. And as I told you, get the Office, Microsoft Office home, so you can get access to all the PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and other apps also. And guys, coming to the sound system, as you can see, here are the speakers of this, and here actually there's a mic and the speakers over here again in the overhead. It's this sound system is amazing, guys. Of this, it gives a very loud and good sound. I'm actually very impressed with the sound system. I actually didn't expect with the sound system of this, like with a laptop. So good one. So, I was actually talking about the quote. I should actually talk about the Cortana now. Well, this running on the latest Windows 10, and this just tells that it has actually updated two times till now, two time updates. But still, this says the current version is like not supporting the Cortana voice assistant one. Let's say you call hey Cortana and that doesn't respond, so that feature is not still there. But I actually thought that would be there, because you just expect it in a Windows 10 laptop, but we are not getting it, unfortunately. And actually, when I got this, when it was delivered to me, this cost about 38,000, guys. So nearly 40,000, 38,000, and there was no discount when I like bought it. So I had to pay 38,000, but I actually got it in a exchange offer. I exchanged my old laptop. But still, a 38,000 laptop, I expected a bit of a premium packing and a good packing, but it just came in a cardboard box. So that was a bit disappointing. So I think that has to be improved at any cost. The packing has to be improved and it has to be attractive. So guys, next let me talk about its accessories. So we don't get much, just a charging cord and a charging wire. That too we have to actually attach both of them. We get both of them, and I have actually hidden the charger at the back of this. So let me just show you this. So this is a 65 watt thing, and I actually have the charger with me currently. So as you can see, there's a gap over here. So I actually didn't expect this. So this like creates a loose connection, and it has to be like fully gone into that, and that would be perfect then. And the charging cord of this is too small. Like, let me just show you it. So guys, as you can see, this is the charger what we get with the HP 15 laptop. And as I told, this is a 65 watt charger. And one thing I'm disappointed is, guys, as you can see, I'll just give it a look. So a very small charging cord. So this is something which has to be definitely improved. What is this? Such a small charging cord, and you get a very long wire. This is truly not acceptable, guys. The charging cord has to be long. So like when I just plug it out, I always feel that the cord is small and the wire is unnecessarily too big. This can be short down, and this should be elongated. This is a feedback to HP. I hope you understand. And as I told, there's a loose connection over here. This doesn't go inside and creates like this moves, and sometimes the charging doesn't go. So this also has to be improved, and I'm happy that they've given this bending elastic over here so that we don't get the problem with this. Most of the companies just give this in the charger, so this is very important. Yeah, can I have a look? So guys, now let me show you the camera of this laptop. How does it work and everything? As I told, it has the HP TrueVision HD camera. So this is the camera, and oh dude, this is exposing me. No problem. So this is the camera what we get, and you might not be able to like know what's like if it's a HD or not, but I'm assuring that it's a very good camera, guys. Yeah, and here we have the option of taking photo. Like I can just take a photo like this, or even record a video. Let me just show you. Like for example, hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Stuff with me, Tech Stuff with Akshaj. So are you ready to like explore the HP 15 laptop? So that's it. And like that I can just record videos in this, and it's a very good one. So let me just take this off, and this is about this laptop, guys. And now let me just tell you its disadvantages, that is cons. So now till now you have seen the pros, that lagging. So let me just for you tell the pros. This doesn't lag too much. It has a very good HD display. The sound system is amazing. The camera is good. Mic is extraordinary. I like use many devices like headsets, Bluetooth, everything, and mic is the main problem. This laptop is having an amazing mic. And this actually also has an indicator. As you saw, a white light comes here when you like record videos or when the camera is on, when the camera is active. So that's the only thing. One thing I didn't like is that this doesn't have a shutter there. So it should actually have a camera shutter, but that we are not getting. So I'm disappointed with that. So now I'm coming to the cons of this laptop. Even though this generally doesn't lag, sometimes like when we use it, this lags too much at once. So that is the main problem. When you're in a busy work, if this just lags, you will be in a trouble there. And Bluetooth connection is not very good as I expected, because as I told, there were many problems with that. And guys, one thing is that I observe commonly in this laptop is that let me just show you instead of telling it to you. See, as you here you have the battery saver, and the battery saver settings just irritate me. Like it gives a reminder when I set it to like last 20%, and the settings like sometimes change, and we have a problem with the settings sometimes. And overall this is actually a very good laptop, and there are some features like, and sometimes like when you use these keys, like they just don't like function properly for some reasons. Like I'm not telling that this has a defect in that. Like there are might be some settings like which we didn't cover, but this laptop sometimes becomes too complicated to use. That's the very big disadvantage of this. But yes, if you are a user, regular user to a laptop, this would be just a piece of cake for you. And guys, now let's discuss about its apps, what all we get. And we actually get McAfee, but we actually paid. I got it for 1 month free, but now we anyway have the Windows Defender, so I've not taken in the McAfee one. I've installed only some of the apps, like as you can see, Zoom and Microsoft Teams, so it's good, not too much lag. So guys, as I've showed you the camera of this, now let me just tell you how is the sound system, and we have also discussed about the pros and cons. I'll just tell about the pros and cons later in the last part of this video. So stay tuned, watch the video full. To the full volume. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Tech Stuff with me, Tech Stuff Dakshil. So, as you saw, there is something different. Tech Specials. So, what is this Tech Specials? Nothing but we're gonna discuss something special. As you saw, that was a sound system. It is good, guys. I assure you, as I told, I'm using the word assure so many times, not because that any company has paid me or I work for them or I'm branding for them. No, I've personally used it. That is the only reason. So the sound system and everything is good, but the only thing is that this sometimes lags too much. So, that was about the laptop and its review. As I told, I'll just tell about the pros and cons, everything again. So, pros. We have a bigger and a full HD display. The camera is good. It's a HD camera. The sound system's good. This doesn't generally lag, even though I have filled up its storage. And the battery backup, I forgot to tell, is also very good. And the Wi-Fi connection, simply amazing. So these were the pros. Now let's discuss about the cons. The first con is that this lags very rarely, but once if it lags, you'll just see nightmares that day. It will lag too much. And the second thing, when you just like with a touchpad, you just go on clicking something, it automatically by mistakenly just gets touched and the window closes, like the cross button there. Second thing, the corners of the touchpad doesn't work properly. Like you go to the ends of that, it doesn't work properly. Next thing, the Bluetooth connection was not good as I expected. So these were the cons. The pros are little more than the cons, but still, I hope this will be balanced by your use and it would be good. Yeah. And one thing is that this is actually very sleek. 1 TB HDD 15-inch laptop sounds huge, large, but yeah, it's good for carrying, guys. It's just about very handy, so it's good. Thanks for watching this video and posting it on this new year. I hope you like all my videos. Subscribe it, hit the bell icon for the latest updates, give it a thumbs up, comments are free, just comment whatever you want, and Happy New Year. I wish you a very happy New Year and take care, guys. Bye.